get it.
And lucky me if somebody saved me a pair of the,
I hope so.
what do we call them, the tortoise?
Yes.
Please, you guys.
Fingers
if I didn't have the
crossed.
tortoise tonight, I'm going to be really upset. Please.
It sounds crazy, but a lot of
shades.
times that's the way it works at HSN. I
Yeah.
mean, things get manufactured, they get delivered to our warehouses, and then by the time they sell out, when they're gone, they're gone. So we're all in the same boat with you.
All the same gang.
Okay, now we're going to talk about this gorgeous scarf. This scarf Mariah has been wearing in the black and in the beautiful winter white all throughout the show. It is truly beautiful. What I love about this is that it's glamorous when you wear, obviously with the sequins, and you can wear this for day or night. But on the reverse side, it's just a gorgeous, soft, snuggly cable knit sweater.
Yeah.
So you don't have any sort of scratchiness. And then look at these little pom-poms. They feel like velvet.
They do.
They feel like a little, like a little
so
bunny,
cute.
like a little kitty, and it's faux fur. But you should feel how soft they are.
I know.
These are the most beautiful little faux fur pom-poms.
It's funny now with babies. It's you got to be really careful of like what you wear, and
want everything to be
stick
soft next to the little skin.
I wore this bathing suit, and I was like, and it was a little stickly, and I was like, oh dear, I'm gonna, I don't want to hurt them. But this is something they can, I can be close.
By the way, speaking of babies,
there's Moroccan Scott Cannon. We call him Rock. There he is, and there's Ms. Monroe.
Oh, my goodness.
Ms. Monroe and Rockstar. With the Rockstar picture, there's Monroe giving us a moment.
Look at that face.
Oh,
look at
He loves the water.
Oh, my good. Oh,
I
look
gave
at
her a
your
little headpiece.
princess.
I know.
I could
Miss
cry.
Monroe.
Oh, they're so
her.
beautiful. Can
Look
you
at him.
believe it? Oh, my
We
goodness.
put the shades on him. He was like, oh, it's perfectly normal. Why wouldn't I have
Apple
that?
don't fall too far. Oh, wow. You know what?
Apple don't fall too far. Honestly, he's such a fun, he's a fun-loving kid, and she's like this. She sort of takes everybody, and if you can, takes everybody in like this, she'll be like...
Really? So they're very
See if
different
she
in
likes
personality.
you.
How interesting.
Yeah. Barbara Walters told me, I hope she wouldn't be mad, but she told me, she was like, he looks like you, she is you. She said she's a prima donna, but I think she meant it in a nice way.
Well, right. Because didn't you say prima donna is actually a compliment, because it comes from the opera? Or ballet? It comes from ballet. Oh, that's diva. Diva comes from the opera. Prima donna comes from the ballet.
Yeah, I guess so.
Right,
I just know it means like.
But either way, but don't both mean that you have to have loads of talent in order to get away with it.
Yes, and I think they're musically inclined. Nick is all about the education. I'm with him. Of course, we want the children to be educated, but listen, if they can sing and play instruments like they're already kind of messing around with, then they're going to do that as well.
Okay, here's what's happening. I want to update you. We have only 200 left in this scarf.
I told you the white was a smash.
You were so right.
Nobody wanted to believe me. Surprised we don't have a gray one, so.
Oh, the
white.
You can rest assured you will never see gray again in Mariah's collection. But you will be seeing gorgeous black and
lots of
white
red.
And red.
Red sells out of meat, especially the holidays.
You know what? Everybody looks great in red.
Exactly.
I mean, really, it's a great color.
It is.
But this is a beautiful scarf.
That
Again,
looks. It looks gorgeous.
we keep talking about great gift ideas.
Yeah.
But you know what? This is a fabulous, fabulous gift idea. Now, how would you like me to?
Look in the thing, because look how gorgeous that looks on you.
Oh.
It's almost like jewelry. I'm not trying to be dramatic or whatever, but can you see yourself? Can you show? Please don't wrap it before she sees herself in this, because it's so pretty on you.
I love it. It's a beautiful. I would buy it, wear it in a heartbeat.
Can we see a shot of
Look at
Colleen,
Ray.
please?
How cute she looks. Yeah, this is pretty stunning. I'm gonna wear it till it sells out. If you want it though, with everybody on the phone, the white last call is going out. The black is close behind. Don't miss out if you'd like it.
Colleen, that is gorgeous on you.